Determining the health of a transformer can be compared to assessing the health of a person. However, there is one key difference. Humans can recognize when they're not feeling well and reach out and get attention when needed. Transformers will only be able to ask for attention if they have a monitoring system. Fortunately, monitoring systems are not expensive and can be installed when the transformer is first built or installed after the transformer is in service as a retrofit. Monitoring systems will alarm on a variety of different things. One important element to monitor is the presence of gases generating in the transformer. If there is a developing fault in a transformer, gases generate at a rate which typically allows them to remain dissolved in the oil. Hydrogen is the first fault gas to be generated and is used to alert that there is a problem that needs attention. Key gas hydrogen sensors are available in several designs. With one design, sensors measure the hydrogen dissolved in the oil. Another design monitors hydrogen in the headspace. Hydrogen dispersion and saturation occurs more slowly in oil than it does in the gas phase. Hydrogen has a relatively low saturation in oil, and the dissolved gases will move into the headspace and disperse across the headspace faster than it will disperse throughout the oil. Monitoring the headspace can provide a faster detection of problems, and once equilibrium is established, there is a much higher concentration of hydrogen in the headspace compared to the amount saturated in oil. This is usually about 20 parts in gas to every 1 part saturated in oil. Therefore, key gas monitors work very well when installed above the oil level. Key gas hydrogen sensors can be used with a transformer monitor to provide early alarm indication and allow transformers to issue an alert indicating if additional attention is needed. Solutions including top oil and winding temperature monitoring, cooling control, and hydrogen detection can be less expensive than the cost of discrete winding temperature and top oil temperature gauges. Hence, many are able to change to a modern control solution that includes hydrogen monitoring without increasing their overall cost. The new solutions communicate to SCADA, operational systems, DCS, and can configure to issue email alerts directly from the transformer monitor, simplifying the communication and ensuring the transformer's call for help is received.